Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I'd like to firstly welcome Honourable Newmatawalu to Parliament. There's obviously quite a lot of work we have to do with you after listening to you this morning. Madam Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member for this question, but it is somewhat baffling that the Honourable Member, who has had actually a bit of experience working in law firms, etc., has not realised that you need actual laws for an actual organisation to function. If you read Section 121, it establishes the Commission, which is unprecedented for the first time in Fiji, Madam Speaker, that we actually have a constitution that establishes an independent commission to look into the affairs of the Prime Minister right all the way down, senior government officials, including members of Parliament, in respect of accountability and having a transparency. If you look at Section 1218, it says, the authority, functions and responsibilities of the Commission shall be prescribed by written law, and a written law may make further provision for the Commission. Subsection 9. A written law shall provide the Commission with the jurisdiction, authority and powers to receive and investigate complaints against permanent secretaries and all persons holding a public office. Those written laws are before the committee. We presented the bills, and it's before the committee. So once the law is passed by Parliament, it becomes an act of Parliament, then obviously you can have the Commission established, because how can a Commission exist without any laws? We have already brought it to Parliament, it's before the Commission, the committee. The Information Bill and the Code of Conduct Bill 2016 is before the committee. Honourable Prem Singh, in your quest to score cheap political points, you actually missed a fundamental point. And the fundamental point is you cannot have a commission without the laws.